Hey everybody, welcome. I'm here live in Old Fourth Ward. It is raining outside, but I'm going to give you a tour of one of my favorite properties that just hit the market. I want y'all to guess the price of the property. I'm standing outside the property here. Again, we're in Old Fourth Ward, Atlanta. So this is kind of like the block. Check it out. And we're gonna go into this house over here. So want y'all to let me know what you think. If you have any questions of the property, I'm giving you a tour of these Old Fourth Ward townhome that has been renovated. You'll see that there are 2 townhomes. This is freaking amazing, guys. There is no HOA fee, no rental restriction, and you're in the heart of Atlanta at Old Fourth Ward. This is the block over here. In case you don't know, this is pretty dang close to Ponce City Market. You can definitely walk to some action. One of my favorite spots, bubble tea, honey bubble. Whoa, that's the thunder. So let's go ahead and go in here. You can get some bubble tea action. Also, there's Central Park, beautiful park that has basketball courts, a baseball, football field. And that's where the Shaky Knees and Shaky Beats concert is. So you'll see this is a fully renovated place. It is a 2-bedroom. Check out how nice this is. They painted the brick white. I don't know if you noticed, but on the outside they painted the brick as well. So this is one of the bedrooms. You've got a bathroom in here as well. Beautiful detail. Hey, what's up? Love these modern lights they put. All right, so you enter in this long hallway. Check this out, guys. I absolutely love this. I'm a stickler for windows up there and big open space to host some parties. Love this detail with the metal railing. You've got a garage. Unfortunately, it is a 1-car garage. But hey, it is what it is. You can't have everything living in the city unless you drop a mill. All right, here we go. Here's the master bedroom. Pretty good sunlight in here. This is your closet. And your master bedroom has a fireplace. Too bad it doesn't have a wet bar, but you do have this amazing master bath with exposed brick. When do you see exposed brick in a master bathroom? Love what they've done. This is the new trend now to do like these metal mirrors. Here you are with the bathroom. The shower. Look at that. The vertical accent tile really creates elongation in the room and makes the ceilings be taller. And look at that. They put the niche on the side. I love that attention to detail. It doesn't look you know, crummy with all your exposed shower, shampoo and conditioner bottles. And for those of you guys that are dog lovers, check out this killer backyard. I mean, in the city, this thing's huge. Let me get my hoodie back on here. I'm going through the mud just to show you guys this amazing backyard. You got a fortress out here with this nice fence. You got these neighbors here with a pretty crappy house that looks like it's abandoned, but I'm sure that'll be a gold mine sooner or later. And then you have your neighbor's unit too that probably needs a little update. Look at this privacy back here, guys. This backyard again is right off of your master bedroom. Listen, if you're interested in buying, selling, renting, investing, I do work for free for buyers and renters, and I'd love to work with y'all. All right, let's check out the top floor. Dang, I don't want to get this carpet all wet and nasty. Give me a second here. Look at this vintage fireplace, huh? Imagine just laying in bed right here. You got the fire crackling. All right, so let's go upstairs. I freaking love this place. I wish I had 400 or so thousand to buy this place right now. Again, no rental restriction, no HOA fee. You're in the heart of Atlanta. Check out this beautiful quartz countertops. The gray veins in here make the gray cabinetry pop. You got some Euro style cabinets. Look at that. Beautiful, right? Brand new stainless steel appliances. And just soak this all in for a minute. Look at these skylights, the vaulted ceilings. Imagine the parties you can have in here. You can have DJ SK, my friend, come out. spin some music for you. I'll even throw that DJ in there for free, and I'll be your cocktail waitress, bartender if you buy this house. Here's the view. Hey guys, thanks for joining. Central Park, I don't know if you see those vans out there. Central Park's down there. So if you buy this place now, you can make it over to Shaky Beats and Shaky Knees concert. All right, well, thanks for tuning in. That's about it here. I'm in Old Fourth Ward. If you or anybody you know want to buy this house, let me know. Check this out. Window is a bit crooked, but that's about the only defect I see in here so far. I'm loving these amazing lights. All right, have a good one.